Hi! In front of me is VIVO X80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings, scroll down and choose Shortcuts and Accessibility. Now click on One-Handed and click on this sweater next to Access menu screen using gesture to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. You can bring the small screen out by sliding inward from the edge of the screen and then out. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to resize it, you need to click on this icon at the top left corner and hold one of those dots. Now choose the preferable size and let go. If you wish to move it around, just hold it by this icon and drag it. If you wish to go back, click on this X at the top right corner, and if you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!